letter K.
Oh, wow, that's a cool letter.
Hey, there it is.
Look, it looks like it's got legs and it's doing a big kick.
Yeah. Hey, do you know what sound the letter K makes? You made it just now.
Yeah, it goes K.
Hey, that's really good.
Thank you.
K. K. Come on, boys and girls, say it with us.
Join in.
K. 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 Hey.
Wow, that's really good. Can we think of any words so it can help us?
Yeah, let's think of some words that have the K sound in it.
K in it. Oh, I got one. One. You fly it in the sky. It's a kite.
Hey, that's a really good
That's
one.
a good one. I like
that
kites.
starts with a K sound.
Yeah.
Come on, boys and girls, say the word kite with us. Ready?
Kite.
Kite. Kite.
Wow, that's a good one. What other words are there?
I've got one.
Oh, yeah.
It's one of my favorite types of animals.
Yeah.
It jumps around. It's a kangaroo.
It's a kangaroo. I know that one. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a really long word, isn't it?
Should we all try it?
Yeah, let's try it. Kangaroo.
Whoa, that is a long word.
Hey, come on, boys and girls, say it with us. Kangaroo. Should we do it one more time?
One more.
Kangaroo.
Wow, that's a really good. Hey, I got a word.
Uh-huh.
It's when you play football, you have to kick the ball.
Of course, kick.
Kick for a kicking K.
There's so many K's there.
So many K's.
Say that with us, boys and girls. Kick. Kick.
Kick.
Hey, that's got a
a
K
good one.
at the beginning.
And at the end.
And at the end.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a good one, isn't it?
It's a really good one.
I've got another one.
Oh, yeah.
It is a little baby version of a cat. It's a kitten.
Oh, kitten. I like kittens. They're really cute and fluffy.
Yeah, they are really cute. Come on, boys and girls, say kitten with us. Kitten. 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 Hey.
Wow, that's a really good one.
It's a good one.
Well, I got another one. It sounds quite similar to that. It's kitchen.
Hey, that's a really good one as well.
Yeah.
Kitchen. That's got a K at the beginning.
Yeah.
Come on, boys and girls, say that with us. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Hey, and I've got another one.
Oh, yeah.
You find it in the kitchen. It's a kettle.
Oh, yeah. You make tea and coffee and
Yeah.
hot chocolate.
Exactly. Come on, boys and girls. Kettle. 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 Hey.
Wow, that's really good.
Let's think of one more.
One more. Oh, I got one.
Uh-huh.
I'd like to be one of these. I'd like to be King Ned.
King, that
I'd be a really good king.
You would be a king. The little crown on the top of your
Yeah,
head.
big crown, big
Yeah,
crown.
oh, big crown, big crown. Come on, boys and girls, say king with us. King. King. King.
Wow, that's really good. There's so many words though. I don't know if I'm gonna remember this sound.
We should think of an action.
Oh, yeah, that's a good idea. An action.
Hey, do you know what?
What?
The K letter makes the same sound as the C letter.
What? K.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, they both go K.
Yeah, so why don't we do the same action as we did with C?
What was the action for C?
It was a castanet.
Oh yeah, K, like a castanet.
K.
K.
K. Yeah, exactly. Come on, boys and girls, do the action with us. K. K. K.
Wow, it's like clicking a castanet.
Exactly, and that's K.
Let's put it in a sentence.
Hey, that's a good idea. Let's think of a sentence. I've got one. Okay.
Yeah.
The kitten spilt ketchup on the kettle in the kitchen.
Wow, that's a really good one. There's loads of K sounds in
There's
that.
so many in that. Okay, let's try it together, okay?
Okay.
Ready? The kitten spilled ketchup on the kettle in the kitchen.
Wow, that's really good. That's
Come on,
a
boys
long
and
one.
girls, are you going to say it with us? Let's say it all together. You
Come
ready?
on, join in.
Okay. The kitten spilled
the
ketchup on the kettle in the kitchen.
Wow. I think we should try with the action now, so we get loads going on.
Exactly. Okay, boys and girls. So when you hear the K sound, make the K action. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay, boys and girls, come on, do it with us.
Go on.
The kitten spilled ketchup on the kettle in the kitchen.
Wow, that was really good.
That was so good. I think we should do it one more time.
Yeah, one more time. That was
so
such
good.
fun.
Okay, boys and girls, remember to do your action. Okay. The kitten spilled ketchup on the kettle in the kitchen.
Wow, that's really, you were like experts on the letter K now.
We are experts on the letter K. Remember, boys and girls, the letter K makes the K sound. Wow, that's a good sentence. I think you guys should practice that one at home.
Practice that with your mums and dads.
Exactly. Well, we're going to go and practice that too ourselves as well.